Good afternoon, everyone. So today we solve question on basis of Blake's theory. So here I'll just share the screen. So this is the question. So in question it's given an impervious floor of a bed on permeable soil is 16-meter long and has a seed pile on both ends. So the upper stream is 4-meter deep and downstream is 5-meter deep. Also, the weir creates a net head of 2.5 meter and thickness is given, that is the thickness neglecting the thickness of floor. Then calculate the pressure at the junction of inner face of the pile with weir flow using Khosla theory. So line diagram is also given, that is the D1, D2 point, C1, C point and even E point. That is the depth of seat pile is 4 meter and 5 meter and apart distance between these two piles is 16 meter. Okay. So for solving this question, first we have to start to design the seat pile. Okay, let's try this question. Distance of seat pile is given, that is 16 meter long. The upper stream is 4 meter deep and downstream is 5 meter deep. The weir create a net head, that is head difference is 2.5 meter. So thickness of floor is also neglected. Then calculate the pressure at the junction of inner face of the pile with weir floor using Foster's theory. Okay, so by solving this, by applying the Costa theory, we can write here on upstream side, on upstream pile, that is 5C1 equal to 100 minus 5E and 5E equal to 1 by 5 cos inverse lambda minus 2 by lambda and lambda equal to 1 plus under root alpha square divided by 2, so that alpha equal to B by D So put the value of v by d and find the value of alpha. So alpha equal to, here we can put value alpha equal to 16 by 4, that is 4. Also find the value lambda. Lambda equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 square divided by 2, that is 2.561. This phi equal to 24.61%. Also, this phi C1 equal to 100 minus 24.61, and this is calculated as phi C1, that is correction in sheet file 1, that is 100 minus 24.61, and this value is equal to 25.38. Now percent, this is the correction. Also correction in Donaldson site. So for correction in Donaldson file, we can put the value, that is C equal to positive equal to 19 under root d into d dash into d plus d by b, then put the value of b and d, 19 under root 19 under root 5 by 16 into 4 plus 5 by 16. So value of C can be calculated. So how much this value? Correction in Donaldson side. So correction in Donaldson side is equal to 5.974%. That is approximately 6%. Then corrected by C1 equal to 25.38 plus 6, and this value equal to 81.38%. This is the correction due to Donaldson side file. Correction in file, correction due to Donaldson sequel, that is the file C1. This value is 81.38%, and correction in upstream side file, that value is 25.38%. Also, we can calculate hydraulic head. Hydraulic head is H, and this H value equal to 2.5 into 81.38 divided by 100. So how much this value? So this H value equal to 2.5 into 81.38 divided by 100, and this value equal to 2.034 meter. So 2.034 meters. This is the hydraulic plate available. So on Bonneville Street 5, value of phi e, that is error, equal to 1 by pi cos inverse lambda minus 2 divided by lambda as per Cossack theory. So again put the value of lambda equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus alpha plus square divided by 2, where alpha equal to V by D, that is 16 by 5. So alpha equal to 3 by 2. So again put the value of lambda. So lambda equal to how much? 2.176. Then phi e is calculated by putting the value of lambda. So that is 20. Okay.